Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question for you pertaining to Bayes theorem. So let's take a look. Find the sum of all the positive integer where b is less than 1000 such that base b integer 36b is perfect square and base b integer 27b is a perfect cube. So okay, so with that said, let's try to represent both this equation 36b and 27b in their base so what to say base 10 forms. So 36, okay, just let me show it here. 36 being 0 1, so it is in base b, so 3b plus 6, so it's a perfect square given, so let this be n squared. Okay, so 27 being 0 1, so it's again b, so 2b plus 7, let this be m cube, so it's a perfect cube. Okay, so let's take both this equation now. Say 3b plus 6 equal to 36 and yeah, 2b plus 7 equal to 27. Here we can 36, okay, so my bad, n square and m cube. This one b plus 2 equal to n square, and this one actually remains the same. Here we can see that basically n is basically nothing but a multiple of 3. Okay, here n is a multiple of 3 because of this one. So therefore let me just represent n equal to 3k. Okay, so therefore we have b equal to 9k square by 3 minus 2. So therefore b will be 3k square minus 2. Okay, so this is the value of b. Now substituting the value of b in let me name this equation 1 and this be equation 2. In equation 2, substituting, let this be 3. 3 in 2 we have 2 into 3k square minus 2 plus 7 equal to m square. Okay, this can be further written as 6k square square. So here basically we have 6k square minus 4 plus 7 equal to m square, which can be further written as 6k square minus 3 or plus 3 equal to m square. Taking 3 common, we have k squared plus 1 equal to, so it is m cube, my bad. M cube, m cube, 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 and m cube. Okay, so this is what. Now again we can see m is again a multiple of 3. Okay, m is again a multiple of 3 and m cube here will be odd. Okay, since it's a whole cube again, so m cube has to be odd. So now m m cube has to be odd and 3 multiples. So let me just write 3x in general. Now as b is less than 1000, it's given, So therefore we can again write 3k square minus 2 should also be less than 1000. That is 3k square k should be less than 1002. So k should be less than, say, 3 3s are 9, 1 0 3 3s are 9, k should be less than 334. So this is what we have here. Okay, now let's take a look at this equation in general. Okay, let's take a look at this. Here n must be less than 13. Okay, because for m equal to 13 the value of b basically exceeds, if we just substitute the value of n we get a subsequent value of k again, so the value of b here exceeds 1000. So m must be less than 13, and m must be less than 13 and a multiple of 3. Okay, so let me just give you a proof here. Suppose m is equal to 12, say. Okay, so k squared plus 1 equal to 12 cube by 3. So herefore we actually get k as, so here we have k as 23.79 as well. Okay, so therefore if we substitute the value of b, so b comes out to be around 1723. So which again violate our condition of b being less than 1000. So therefore b cannot be 12 as well. So b has to be a value which is less than 12 also. So b has to be less than 12 also. Say we take m equal to 9 for that matter. So say m equal to 9, therefore k square plus 1 equal to 9 cube by 3. So we have 3 into 81. And let's try and solve the same. So here 5, 15 into 3. Okay. If we solve this, we actually have the value of k being 15.55, and if we substitute the same in equation 3, we have b equal to 723.4 something. Okay, so here the value is satisfied. So therefore the values of m will be 3 and 9. Okay, so the value of m will be 3 and 9. So if m is 3 and 9, so therefore what we can finally find is for okay, so for m equal to 3 we have n equal to 6. Okay, and for n equal to m equal to 9 we have n equal to 33. So therefore substituting the same, we have b equal to 10 in this case and 361 in this case by simply substituting the value. So therefore our required sum will be 10 plus 361 being 371, which is the final answer. So I hope this question is clear to you, the process we have adopted towards solving the same. Kindly go through the question in general so you can get a better understanding on the same, and with the video as a reference on the same, try to solve the question on your own. So hopefully everything is clear. This was nothing but simple question pertaining to change in basis of a number which has a certain representation in a particular base, and we again changed it by the virtue of a perfect cube and perfect squares. So all the thing the question also has a few, what to say, characteristics of few inequalities as well. So a lot of this depends on a correct observation of the same. So again, at last I'd like to say, kindly go through the questions in general so that you can get a better understanding and a better approach towards tackling this kind of problem. The video as a reference, try to solve this question with this video as a reference as well, and go as many times through this video as you like, so that you can develop a better understanding of the same. So that said, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.